Number two is family history. May lola or tita ka ba na nagka-breast? Hi mga sis, mga me, and sa mga ka-warrior ko dyan. Alam nyo ba na 1 in 8 women ay pwedeng ma-diagnose ng breast cancer sa lifetime nila? O wag magpanik, let's talk about it. Let's talk about the risk factors. Baka may mga habits ka na hindi mo alam, red flag na pala. Okay, simulan natin sa mga hindi mo kontrolado kasi life. Number one is age. The older you get, the higher the risk. Breast cancer is rare sa teens. Pero pag 40s and up, medyo alert na tayo dyan, sis. Number two is family history. May lola or tita ka ba na nagka-breast cancer? If yes, mataas ang chance, especially kapag mom or sister mo. Number three, genetics. Heard of BRCA1 or BRCA2? Yun yung mga genes na pwedeng magtaas ng risk. May mga test para dito. Another factor is lifestyle and environment. Ito na yung part na may power ka. First is alcohol. Sorry naman sa mga inuman session nyo dyan. Pero alcohol increases the risk. The more you drink, the higher the chance. Second, obesity or pagiging overweight, especially kapag after menopause. Fat cells produce estrogen and too much of it, not good. Third is lack of physical activity. Couch potato ka ba? Lagi ka bang nasa bed scrolling? Time to stand up and move. Kahit 30 minutes na lakad, huge help na. Fourth, birth control pills. Long-term use can slightly increase the risk. Pero babalik din naman sa normal after mo tumigil. Talk to your OB/GYN, huwag kang mag-self-diagnose. Fifth, late pregnancy or no pregnancy. Ito yung mga late na nagka-baby or hindi talaga nabuntis. Medyo may slight increase ng risk. Six, smoking. Cigarettes are a big no, not just for your lungs but also for your breast. Real talk, hindi mo maiiwasan lahat ng risk factors pero pwede mong i-manage. Early detection is key. Do your self-check and magpa-screening if kailangan. Don't be shy to talk to a doctor. Kaya mo yan sis, knowledge is power. At kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, don't forget to like, share, and follow, and tag someone na nangangailangan din ng information na to. Let's spread awareness and not fear.